Hey guys, welcome to Fabless Manufacturing. So today we're going to talk about part number 30-2000. So this is our new V3 drive-by-wire bracket that goes from Mark II to Mark IV. So in this kit, it's going to come with your hardware and your bracket. So let's move on to our install video for more details.
Hey guys, welcome to the install portion of the Mark II to Mark IV drive-by-wire bracket. Today I'm going to show you how to install, how to adjust, and how to do your final tightening on this bracket and get the pedal exactly where you want it. The difference between the V3 and the V2 is the V3 is actually adjustable, allowing you to set the pedal a little bit farther, a little bit closer to the floor, depending on your preference. All right, let's get into it. You want to start off by taking your long bolt in the kit, positioning the small arm through the small hole here in the pedal box. Slide your hardware through the bushing. It'll come out this side. You want to grab your small washer and your nut. Put that into place. Mind you, you want to have everything kind of loose at first. Make sure everything's lined up, then you can start tightening everything down. So I'll tighten this down just a little bit, which is the 2.5-inch bolt along the bottom side. You can have that not tight but snug. That way you can still move the bracket back and forth. Tighten it just a little bit more. Then you go ahead, mount the pedal in place. I'm not using any washers because this is just temporary. Put your two nuts in place at the very top. This will allow the pedal to stay in place while you adjust it. You adjust the position of the pedal where you want it. All right, so after you get the pedal installed, then you can start playing around and trying to figure out where exactly you want it to sit. For this video, I'm going to go for a low setting. We'll say right about there. There's your adjustment right here. So we'll say right there. So I'll remove the nuts, trying to not move the bracket too much, not to throw everything off. Just like that. Then I'll grab my 11mm socket and I'll come and just tighten this guy up right here. I'll give this a snug. Then I'll come around to the bottom side, this 2.5-inch bolt that runs through here. I'll tighten that down. Now the bracket will move a little bit as you tighten it, but it doesn't go too far. Just like that. Once the bracket is nice and secure, you go back and take your pedal, reinstall with washers. Trying to not lose the hardware all over the floor. Just like that. Put the bottom bolt in. Again with 11mm, snug everything up. When you're going to tighten the actual gas pedal onto the bracket, don't go too crazy on the hardware. Just snug is fine. This is plastic and it will crack. There is dowels inside of here, but if you force it down too much, it will break. And that's your pedal, fully assembled, ready to go. All right guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We're happy to help.